Welcome to Yash and Sri Lanka. In this video, experience the beauty of a Sri Lankan paddy harvest with stunning cinematic footage of combined harvesters and village farming life.
In this harvest, a modern combine harvester is used to cut the rice. Separates the grain and collect it, all in one efficient process. This technology helps farmers save valuable time and reduce hard physical labor. Behind every grain of rice is the dedication perseverance and hard work of our farmers. Their efforts make it possible for food to reach our tables every day. If you enjoyed this journey through Sri Lanka's countryside, please support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to Yash and Sri Lanka, and sharing your thoughts in the comments.